everybody, today my dad is going to show you how to fix the dryer in 30 seconds.
So we have a dryer that isn't working because the knob is turning. Power's on. If you remove the tab, you'll see it's got a crack. Go to the store, pick up one of these universal kits. Find the one that fits. This kit was bought at Lowe's for $15. There you go. Until you can order the original part.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys later. Bye!